broke boy now dey here dey proud my babe does not shit on me. Yeah, they carry your babe dey go, you no fit afford am, na why you never catch her there.
The Chronicles of Ushbebe live in Lagos. Yadadi 25.
DJ Killer. DJ. You want play song at my time? I not get much time to waste. You know say who pay for short time, not they do romance. Now we are celebrating love. Some girls dey here now, you just frown their face because you not receive Valentine gift. After the ride where you ride the boy, you know say you ride her. Some girls, I just don't take this relationship too serious. It's not serious like that, though. Your boyfriend, papa died, you barb your hair, assistant widow. All of I don't take this relationship too serious. You go see girl, you not get relationship, you dey pray for husband, you not get boyfriend. You want skip test and condition. And I want beg you as a young man here, also. Get money, not be motivation and warning. One broke boy now dey here dey proud my babe does not shit on me. Yeah, they carry your babe dey go, you no fit afford am, na why you never catch her there. Package yourself for this country now, package it. If not be say life don spoil, why yahoo boy go dey beat thief? Everybody just dey package. And I want beg you all these girls wey dey like romantic men, not follow man wey dey use manual, any man wey dey drive manual. And in case you later follow, no let her hold your hand for steering. The one I follow last weekend, this man dey change jar every minute. Not be every car that they play love. Not follow my way they use manual. And as they get go school not be scam. One guy send me happy birthday message. He say happy birthday MC Royal, your days are numbered. All these men when they quit they propose. Science not discovered say 75% of a child brain come from the mother. Look your babe, she gets sense. You go they show girl your beauty plan. You show the girl say look at my beauty plan honey. You just look at her mad though. You not gonna say that one no sabi anything. You turn the next page, you say like this is just like the construction site. Wahala, 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 wahala. You turn the last page, you not reach. Now you look at he choke. Most of these girls don't sabi keep conversation though. They want use are you finish you? How are you? I'm fine. Are you? They don't stop. What are you doing lying down? Are you? They don't stop. They just they feel bad. I'm a body. I'm a body. Ordinary shares, you break glass. And as a young girl walk on your tummy, you not be honorable. You go buy the drink tea with bread. Let's not package you though. As I make an enter relationship, honoring talking stage, the boy they look me. He say you don't look like somebody that can cook. I thought that one yours for me. More than the package. See my neighbor for copper. See, don't let anybody oppress you or work not then that. My neighbor for copper every morning like this guy they go work with the heavy arm. Go you carry that laptop bag. We say now wow. So what's the way that they carry laptop bag? Now respect before I say now Ludo dey the bag. Everybody they package, you go see person where get motor park in car. Say what are you going to start taking a walk? Now life before I finish. You know they take see get money. The difference between meet my husband and meet my lovely husband. Hello. I cannot marry a woman that don't know how to cook. You get food stuff. If you're proud to be a woman, put your hands together for yourself. See them, gold diggers. As all of us dey here now, men one man carry gas with as they go, come carry the girl go hotel, the girl come mistakenly die. Wetin you go see online the next morning? Justice for favour, justice for favour. But maybe say na the man die. Wetin you go see online the next morning? Now this is a lesson to all the men. Alright, ladies and gentlemen, that's my time.
Yeah.
Claudia, what a man can do,
woman can do better.
The Chronicles of Ushbebe live in Lagos. Yadadi 25.